Hello everyone, it's the 5th of December and it's the weekend post open to everyone. We're starting with S&P 500 mini contract. This is the long-term view. I believe this week's action by the close of Friday is a very substantial move, of course, to the upside. It looks toppy to many people, but until it's proven by a price action, I do not accept it. I need to see some supports broken down, and we are quite far from it. I'm not talking about the golden potential channel or anything. This is already, driving everything up anyway. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about right now is the many resistances that have been broken over the last couple of weeks, but the current action is very much a major move to me. And I may be mistaken, of course, but next week's action we'll see next week's action, and if it follows through, then this analysis will be fine. Here, the red resistance, which has been tested 2 times here, if we count this third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, since 2018, and now it's getting tested and it's broken to the upside. This is a substantial move. Look at this. And it also cleared the black resistance. So by looking at this action, I think there is a possibility for the entire move all the way to this red top band. And of course, I always follow it with shorter term things. I would be looking into shorter term channels, but for the long term, I think the red top band is around 3,900. That is the next major possible resistance. It's 3,850-ish. Okay, that's the level I'm looking for. So that is another 150 handles to go, and from there we may see a big correction, maybe all the way to the red previous. So something like this can be possible, the previous red support or broken resistance, and then move to the red top band again. That would be around 3,900. So over next year, beginning of next year, over the next couple of months, I expect 3,850 and then pull back big time, and then 3,900-ish. Okay, that is my suggestion to you. Here, Dow is approaching the golden top band, which is, we have been expecting. This is here the obvious target because of the golden bottom band 2 touches and golden top band 2 touches, and we are getting to this here is a new high. And yeah, bulls are very much in control. They are extremely strong, and Dow's next resistance is this blue top band, clearly. Here, 2 or 3 touches, and this is beginning of 2018, and we're getting to Dow 31,000. That is if it can break the golden top band, and I believe it's going to break it. Okay, the major breakout was this beautiful bull flag, and this target is very much in line with the break of the bull flag, and then it broke the blue. So if we look at the shorter term, it broke the blue bull flag, and then back tested it, and it moved on higher. So this is pretty much extremely super accurate technical analysis and technical picture. To me, there is no doubt that there is, the bull market is in control. Printed money and all that, but I don't care. I don't care who did what. The price action is the only thing that matters. Okay, and the price action says there is more upside. Similarly, Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq's major breakout was this red one. Okay, that was from 2011 highs. Look at this. Broken, back tested, and it came for a very brief back test, and it didn't touch it. It didn't even touch it. Thankfully, it didn't touch it. And now Nasdaq, well, this was weekly, so Nasdaq is now aiming for 13,500-ish. I think that's the golden top band. That's where it's headed. It can break the blue resistance as long as the green support is holding 1, 2, 3 touches. The blue resistance will break, and then the golden resistance, the interim golden resistance, may hold, maybe a pullback, and then later on it's going to get to the golden top band, and that may become a major resistance. A major resistance means a major target. So that's where I'm having my eye on. Russell is the leader, no doubt here. Okay, break off the golden resistance, yeah, and backtest, and it never looked back from there. Then the vaccine news came, the election, etc. Whatever that it was, the red bull flag was broken later on. Look at this beautiful bull flag. You know, 2 touches at its bottom and 2 touches at its top, and then broken to the upside. Just this week, it cleared the black bull flag, and now it's broken also the red top band resistance, and it doesn't relent. It doesn't even rest. So Russell is a monster here, is a beast. So maybe like long term we can, to be honest, there's I don't see much of a resistance on its way so far. Okay, and FTSE, beautiful golden sideways channel, or a bull flag you may call it, was broken this week, back tested, and the red support is holding. It's pushing higher. Any pullback may target the golden top band, and that would only be a buying opportunity. Okay, I thought this blue bull flag would get back tested while it fills the gap, but it didn't. I wish it did. We could have bought it big time, but I don't think it's going to get there anymore. The golden bull flag is broken, and I don't think it's going to get back into this golden bull flag. It may only back test it and then move higher. So, but looking at the state of things for FTSE, this is the COVID gap at 7,500-ish, and that's where it's headed. And DAX is very bullish as well. Maybe this week it stalled a little bit, probably due to euro rally. I don't mind because we are long euro, as I've been saying all week. This here, this red broken resistance got back tested, and now this blue maybe potential bull flag will be broken, and I believe it's going to get to COVID gap fill at 13,550 or 60, and we're long DAX here. Big breakout by oil. This was exemplary breakout. The red sideways action since June, this year, was broken recently, and it didn't even come back for a back test. In fact, it formed a golden veg, opening veg, or a megaphone, some call it. Yeah, and you can see it was broken, back tested, and I believe eventually it's going to get to 50 to 55. This is where it's headed. Natgas, we are short natgas big time because of this golden channel, this daily chart. The golden top band held together with the, let's say, imperfect black top band. That was there was some news action here, but then the reversal, we were shorting already there, and now we are still short. And I think, you know, this blue bull supports break and backtest was a very good short entry, and that's what we took. The purple resistance held. There were quite a few bearish signals, and now the red top band held. Okay, and if we look at the 1 hourly chart, okay, here the gap is at 2.1, and I think it's going to get there eventually. Maybe, I mean, you can see the red top band held on at Friday's high, and I think the first target is the green bottom band. Maybe we'll see a break of the red, but then it will eventually get to 2.3. Somewhere here there is strong support. That's around 2.3 or something, and then, you know, depending on the action, when and if it gets there. Okay, but I believe it looks bearish to me. So gold, you can see the green bottom band, which I've been showing for the last couple of months as a potential channel here. This is a beautiful bounce off that green bottom band. Now this week it bounced quite a bit, and it touched the double resistance, the blue broken support. It held at its back test. Look at this, beautiful. And the red bottom band, one second, sorry, the red top band held. And this here, this red channel, is the perfect bull flag now. So we may see some pullback this week, and then rally and break everything on its way. I mean, break off the red top band will clearly be a long signal. Silver has also bounced. I mean, look at this. This red bull flag is exemplary. And the moment it breaks the red top band will be a long signal for the long term. But you can see here there is still some resistances, the red and the blue. So maybe it will take time. Maybe we'll see one more pullback by silver. But eventually I believe silver is going to rip. And Forex, euro, this here is the break that I've been expecting for a very, very long time. In fact, I was shorting this red top band because the red bottom band is here. This is the 2008 high. Back in 2014, I was shorting euro because of this reversal here. There was some veg here as well. Anyway, now this red top band is clearly broken. Look at this, and it shows. Once a channel gets broken to the other side, it swings, you know. Once a channel, a descending channel, and to me this is a major bull flag. The rally from 2000, bull flag, and that's the post. This is the flag, and now we're going to get to 160 over the next couple of years. Pound sterling, you can see here, I mean, there's all sorts of Brexit news, which is why I'm not touching it, neither short nor long, but I believe in the long run it's going to get to 150. Okay, and it's trying to break this blue resistance, and due to a lot of Brexit negotiation news, it cannot become a clear break. But to me it looks very bullish long term, and we were going to get to 145, 148, even 150. That's the beginning of Brexit. Aussie dollar, here the green channel has been broken to the upside. Yeah, this is a big bull flag, which is why we are long, actually from here, Aussie long, and we are aiming for 78. And Kiwi, same picture. The red top band is broken. Unfortunately, this veg is broken to the downside, but the red channel will be holding, and Kiwi will be running higher, I believe, by looking at everything that is bearish on US dollar. That's it. Okay, thank you, bye.